Do you remember how people stake Tide coin to get DYM airdrop for just $10 staking of the Tide token, and people were able to get thousands of dollars on DYM airdrop. So this is the flow airdrop happening on Solana blockchain, and here you can stake as low as $5 minimum. I've just tried it, guys, and I see that it's actually the minimum you can stake, even though I will be adding to my own deposits. So this is just for the information. So if you're just getting to understand hear about this the flow, take your position immediately. The good news is you can stake as low as $5, but I don't think that is advisable, because the higher you stake, the higher you earn, and your staking is still your money. After this airdrop, which will last for 3 months, you are going to withdraw your funds back. So it's better to put your funds to work and make good use of it by getting potential airdrop, by getting substantial airdrop. So don't just do some change. This is just a video sake, and I've just tested the deposit to see what it looks like. So I will be adding more deposit to this reward, because it's still my money actually. So even if I stake $1,000 on this, it's still my money. It's not going to go anywhere. After the period of the airdrop, I withdraw back my money, and I still get the airdrop. So it's like using one stone to kill two birds. So make sure you are doing this, you are taking this seriously. It's happening on Solana. You can stake either BOK, BONK, for those you can stake when, you can stake jump, you can stake Solana itself. So how do you get started on this the flow airdrop? How do you get started? The first thing is when you click on the link, you open the website, input the referral code. I will drop the referral code in the description box, or check the pin post in the comment section. And in case you join a referral code and it said it has been used, drop me a comment under this video. Drop me a comment in the comment section. I will generate another referral code for you, and I'll reply your comments with a new referral code. That's if the one I'm dropping now has been used. So take note of that. So how do you get started with this the flow? You create an account, you input the referral code, then you have to save your private key. The moment you click on register, you put your email. They will send you a code to your mail, and you'll be able to input the code and proceed with your registration. Then they will give you your private key. Copy that private key and save it somewhere, as well as your password. You are going to be using a very strong password there. They don't allow all this small password. You have to use a very strong password. So take note of that. You use a very strong password, and you save your private key. Save your password, save your private key. Copy that private key and save it somewhere. That's your access key. So after you're done saving it, then proceed. You'll be seeing your home page, and you'll see your deposit address. You see your deposit address. It has a barcode where you can scan, or you copy the deposit address. So if I click on this account here, you see here, I can actually see my deposit address. You see this wallet address is your deposit address. Even if you are depositing Solana, you are depositing when you are depositing BOK, you are depositing jump, whichever token you are depositing, this is the same address you are going to use for everything. Just copy this address, go to the exchange where you are sending from. You don't deposit less than $5. That's the least you can deposit. So take note of the what's it called, the exchange withdrawal fee. I think it's usually like $1 or $1.20. That's the withdrawal fee. So if you are deposit gets like $7 minimum, so that when the exchange take the $1 withdrawal fee, you'll be left with $6. Don't deposit less than $5, so that you can receive your deposits. If it is less than $5, you will not receive your deposits here on this platform. So take note of that, and you can add to your deposits, as I will be doing as well. I'll just go back to this. I'll copy my wallet address, then go back to Binance. You can get bulk on Binance. You can get when on Bybit exchange. You can get you can get Solana on Binance. You can get Solana on Bybit. Whichever you want to deposit, just copy this address and deposit your token. Is this same address you're going to use for everything. Then you have to wait for like 30 minutes. It will reflect under this page. So after you've seen your deposit, wait for 30 minutes. Take note, guys. You have to wait for it to reflect, for you to have this page. If after it has reflected, you will see this page. This is what you'll be seeing, like this interface. You don't need to do anything again. The moment you deposit, it's already automatically staked for you. But if you withdraw, then you will not get anything again. You will not get your SP. Your SP will be withdrawn from you. So you have to make the sacrifice of staking for that 3 months so that you don't lose your SP. So after you've deposited and it has reflected after 30 minutes, you'll be seeing your page like this. You see, fund account to end the flow. Depositors will get early access to the flow. The more and earlier you deposit, the more SP you will get. SP will be redeemed for their token. They close that. And withdrawing funds during phase 0 will reset your SP. This means that any decrease in account balance. So you cannot withdraw your funds until this airdrop elapses. If you withdraw your funds, you will not get the airdrop and they will remove the SP from you. So after you have deposited and you are seeing this page, you just click on this claim SP reward. If you click on the claim SP reward, then you have this page like this, and that's all. So if you want to add to your deposits, as I will be doing as well, if you want to add to your deposits, you just come back to this account, copy your wallet address, go back to the exchange, send whichever token you want to send, either bulk, either when or jump the JUP, or you want to send Solana. Send the amount you want to send. Make sure it's not less than $5, and you still add it. You still see it get added to the previous one that you have here. So as I said earlier, you can get your funds from Binance. Binance has bulk. They have Solana. They have whatever token. So you can use any of these and deposit. You can always top up. If you start with $10, you can always top up. So there is room for top up. So this is what this DFLOW airdrop token is all about. Airdrop is all about. Use one stone to kill two birds. Buy any of this Solana token, bring it here, stake it, 3 months commitment. You get your airdrop back. And don't forget the bull run, because if you buy any of this token, you are also holding, and the price you will be getting back in the next 3 months will not be the same price you are buying at the moment. So use one stone to kill two birds. By the time you buy now and you wait till 3 months, what you will be getting will not be the same price of what you buy. That's the fact. So and you also be getting the airdrop. So you are using one stone to kill two birds here. So guys, take position on this. Check the deposits the referral code on the description box or the pin post in the comment section. Don't forget, if any of the referral code is said has been used, make a comment and I will reply you with a new code. So this is all about DFLOW. Make sure you are taking position as soon as you see this video. John, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel for subsequent updates and for follow-up updates as well. You can as well join me on my Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any of my information at all. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.